January 11th, 2021 lesson. So this is like what we've been doing last week. Jenny bought 4 Blu-ray DVDs for $84.20. How much did she spend on each DVD? All right, so first we are going to take a look at our ratio. So remember, money on top. Look at our money on top dude over here. Money on top. So we have $84.20. And she bought that 4 Blu-rays, so 4 DVDs. All right, remember, all we're going to do, $84.20 divided by the 4 DVDs. So we're going to figure out, we're going to divide. Remember, literally, this means divide. I'm going to write that across it, divide, with an exclamation point because that's all you're doing. All right, so let's divide. $84.20 divided by 4. All right, remember we can pop up that decimal because it's only on the inside of our house. So 4, can 4 go into 8? Yes, it can. It can go in 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. So we're going to subtract. You get 0. Bring down that 4. How many times can 4 go into 4? 4 can go into 4 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down the 2. Can 4 go into 2? No, it can't. We need to put a 0 here. 4 times 0 is 0. We subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring the 0 down. Can 4 go into 20? Yes, 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract, we get 0. Nothing left to bring down. No remainders. So our answer is $21.05 for 1 DVD, or you can put per DVD for 1 DVD. And that's going to be it for our, that's going to be it for our lesson. Great job.